Now that I have removed the Brita filter, and as you can see it's a lot of sediment in there. I apologize for the mess in the sink, but we don't currently use this one as there is no toilet in the bathroom. And this is a demonstration of what happens when we turn on the cold water in the house. The other tap does not have a working cold water. The cold water is not as bad as the hot water. But when we hear the toilet filling, it seems to have air bubbles. But as you can see, this is much smoother than the hot water. So this is a comparison of the difference between the hot water and the cold water in the house.